Hello everyone, welcome to CoinWatch News. You can translate this video into any language you want using YouTube's settings. I'm Dixon, and on this channel we explore opportunities, learn together, and grow our crypto knowledge and profits, all from our mobile devices. Before we dive into today's exciting update, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest crypto news. Let's get started. Today we have some fantastic news from the Pi network. Just in time for the holidays, Pi is launching its Community Commerce Holiday Initiative and a special raffle. This is a massive step towards building a real functional economy within the Pi ecosystem. During this time of year, we're all used to seeing big retailers roll out deals and discounts. Well, now it's Pi's turn. Pi apps and local merchants are getting a platform to offer their own holiday promotions. And the entire community, all you pioneers, are invited to shop with Pi, both online and in your local areas. This initiative is a brilliant way to support small businesses, local Pi merchants, and the commerce apps built on the mainnet. It gives the community a simple way to discover and participate in holiday shopping using the Pi you've been mining. Think about it. You can actually use your Pi for real goods and services. Pi Network is acting as the facilitator here, boosting visibility and helping coordinate everything. However, it's the individual apps and merchants who will be running their own independent promotions and deals. This is decentralization in action, empowering the community from the ground up. So, how can you, as an app developer or a local merchant, get involved? It's pretty straightforward. First, you need to create and manage your own holiday promotions. This could be anything from special discounts to fun activations to attract Pi shoppers to your business. Once you have your promotion ready, you need to post about it in the PiFest Fireside Forum channel. This is your chance to advertise your business directly to the Pi community. And here is a great incentive. Every post you make there automatically enters you into the holiday raffle, which we'll talk more about in a moment. Finally, you'll handle all the sales, delivery, and fulfillment directly with your customers. This gives you complete control over your business operations. Now, for all the pioneers out there, how can you participate as a shopper? It's just as easy and a lot of fun. Your first step is to browse the ecosystem directory and the PiFest Fireside Forum to find participating Pi apps and merchants. This is your holiday shopping guide for the Pi ecosystem. You can then shop at local merchants who accept Pi or use the mainnet commerce apps to buy goods online. Keep an eye out for those special holiday deals created by the merchants and app developers to get the most value for your Pi. And as you shop and find great deals or unique gifts, share your experiences. Post about your shopping hauls or gift-giving stories in the PiFest Fireside Forum channel. Not only will you be sharing the holiday spirit with the community, but you'll also get entered into the raffle. Before we get to the exciting raffle details, if you're finding this update valuable, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to CoinWatch News. And don't forget to ring that bell. Your support helps us bring you more content like this. Also, if you have any questions about this initiative or anything else crypto-related, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Alright, let's talk about the main event, the community raffle. This is Pi's way of saying thank you and celebrating the holidays with everyone. You have a chance to win exclusive Pi merchandise. We're talking about cool Pi-branded t-shirts and hats that you can't get anywhere else. Participating is incredibly simple. Each valid post in the PiFest Fireside Forum channel is automatically entered into the raffle. This includes posts from pioneer shoppers sharing their experiences, as well as posts from participating Pi app developers and local merchants advertising their deals. The PiCore team will randomly select a total of 100 winners. That's 100 chances to snag some official Pi gear. It's important to note that a third-party company will handle the fulfillment of the merchandise. This means that winners will be limited to the geographic availability of this site, but the good news is it covers over 220 countries and regions, so most pioneers should be eligible. Imagine rocking a Pi t-shirt, showing your support for the network you've helped build. This is a fantastic community-building event that really brings the network together. Now, as with any official event, there are a few disclaimers and legal points we need to cover. By posting in the Fireside Forum PieFest channel, you're acknowledging and agreeing that you'll be automatically entered into the raffle. The 100 winners will be selected at the sole discretion of the PieCore team through their raffle system. The prizes are non-transferable and not for resale. Also, receiving Pie-branded merchandise doesn't mean you have any official affiliation with or endorsement by the PieCore team. It's simply a prize for being an active community member. Participation is also subject to local laws. Only individuals who live in countries where the exchange of Pie or other cryptocurrencies is permissible are allowed to participate. So, as always, it's crucial that all pioneers follow their local laws, rules, and regulations regarding cryptocurrency. This is a standard and necessary precaution to ensure everything runs smoothly and legally for everyone involved. There's another important point about content submission. When you submit your pictures, videos, or comments for PieFest to the public Fireside Forum channel, you are granting Pi Network a worldwide license to use that content. This means they can use your username, photos, videos, or comments in connection with PieFest or other Pi events. They might repost it on the Pi app's home screen, include it in a video, or display it in other media channels. This is how they showcase the vibrant activity happening within the community, so be sure to share your best moments. Finally, a quick but very important note about the apps themselves. The Pi apps featured in this initiative are third-party applications. They are not officially developed or endorsed by the PieCore team, and they don't have any direct affiliation with Pi Network. When you use these apps, you're doing so at your own discretion and risk. By using them, you agree that Pi Network is not responsible for any issues you might encounter. This could relate to transactions, data security, user experience, or anything else arising from your use of a participating Pi app. It is a reminder to always be cautious and do your own research when interacting with third-party applications in any crypto ecosystem. So, to wrap it all up, the Pi Community Commerce Holiday Initiative is a groundbreaking event. It's a real-world test of the Pi economy, empowering merchants and giving pioneers a tangible way to use their coins. It strengthens the community, supports small businesses, and brings the vision of Pi closer to reality. This is exactly the kind of utility and development we love to see. It's not just about mining coins on your phone, it's about building a new digital economy. Get out there, explore the apps, support local merchants, share your stories, and maybe you'll be one of the lucky 100 winners of that exclusive Pi merch. That's all the time we have for today's update. I hope you're as excited as I am about this news. It's a huge step forward for the Pi Network and its community. Thank you so much for watching. One last time, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with CoinWatch News. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'm Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video.